Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kerry. Today I'll be showing you a farm animal towel I made. The towel is another gift for a new baby. I've been making a few recently. I loved spending time at my grandparents' dairy farm when I was a child. They had cows, horses, chickens and a rooster. All the appliques were made using Sheepy's Maxi Sweet Treat and a 1mm hook. We'll add links to the appliques I used in the description below. I used the donkey applique, the goat applique, the cow applique, the rooster applique and the chicken applique. My sewing machine was used to stitch the appliques to the towel, using the colour of the towel in the bobbin and the colours of the appliques for the top thread. If you've liked my video, please like, subscribe and share. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Patreon. The details are in the description below, along with the details of my website where I have my patterns and the details of my Facebook group. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.